Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I want to show you all of my Butcher Box order and show you how you can get all of this grass-fed meat, heritage breed pork, free-range chicken, and wild-caught salmon delivered to your door once a month. So today I'm going to tell you about my Butcher Box and give a kind of a review of the Butcher Box and how I really like it. I just want to start off by saying that. I think it's great. The meat comes to my door every day. I mean, what am I talking about? Once a month. The meat comes to my door once a month. It is grass-fed beef, pasture-raised pork, heritage breed pork. Chicken is free-range chicken. And the salmon is wild caught. And yes, there's salmon. And this month they have a special going on where you get free salmon, 2 pounds of free salmon in your box if you're a new customer. You also get the free package of bacon. And then each month they have specials, and you can also, I have a link down in the description below for the deal for the free salmon. And also you could, if you don't like salmon, you could choose a $15 off deal with the free bacon. That link is in the description below. So anyway, I want to go through what I get in the Butcher Box. So these come packed with dry ice, and when you get it, the meat is still frozen solid. So here's the bacon. This is the heritage breed pork bacon from Peterson's Farm. And then I've got a mixed box. This is beef, chicken, and pork. You can choose just chicken, you can choose just beef, you could choose just pork if you wanted to. These are 2 grass-fed ribeye steaks. Here are 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. And here are 2 pounds of grass-fed ground beef. This is 85% lean ground beef. And you can hear on my granite countertop that is frozen. This is a grass-fed beef boneless chuck roast. And chuck roast is like the best beef roast you can get. And I've gotten, in my box, I've gotten strip steaks, I've gotten all kinds of different beef cuts. Usually the chicken, I only get the boneless, skinless chicken breast. And you can add on chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, if you would rather have that, or in addition to the chicken breast. And here are some pork chops. These are boneless pork chops, and they are like 2 inches thick. These are amazing pork chops. They're really tender. And I just did a recipe for air fried crusted pork chops, and you can find that in my video feed. And here is the salmon. So you can see that this is really good quality salmon. It's nice and pink. This is wild caught Alaskan sockeye salmon. And I'm excited to try this. I've never tried this from Butcher Box, but this is 2 pounds of salmon. And you can now add this as an add-on to your box. If you already get Butcher Box and you want to add in the salmon, now this is available year-round. And one thing I want to kind of go over is with the subscription, it's really easy to change your subscription. It's really easy to do add-ons. It's easy to just go into your account. You can change, you can cancel, you can change anything. It's really easy. So I would really encourage you to consider Butcher Box. It's really high quality meat, and it comes right to your doorstep. What more could you ask for? So we will see you guys later. Keep looking out for more videos right here at Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm posting about 2 to 3 a week. So we'll see you guys later. Bye.